Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Congratulations on Tesla, up 10% yesterday, which is incredible. I'm going to jump into Bitcoin and Tesla. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, and turn on the bell. Congratulations, whoever bought Tesla with me at 141. Now we're at 220, which is amazing. Congratulations. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals for Bitcoin. And again, Tesla was up 10% yesterday, 10.2, $230. Massive congratulations to anyone who bought with me at 141. Let's go on to the weekly of Bitcoin. Weekly charts, we're on this 1 year trend line, this yellow trend line. You can see it's been going since September 2023, and we're climbing this trend line on Bitcoin. Each of these candles represent 1 week on the market. TradingView.com, you can learn all of this in the Crypto Masterclass course. Crypto Guru Bot fired a blue buy back in February 2023, still blue buy now, hasn't flipped red. Stochastic oversold and trying to turn up, but still coming down. Let's go closer. On the daily, came from oversold, turned up, got a bit of a bounce. And I think this is the AB bounce before the C wave correction. We're still holding this yellow trend line, which is a good sign. If this yellow trend line breaks, we have one big support at 56 and a big support at 52. I don't think we go below 52, but the major area of support is actually at 45. However, what this is creating on Bitcoin, if you zoom out, you can see that it's still creating this huge cup and handle on Bitcoin. Massive cup and handle. That if that plays out, 115K would be the target of this massive cup and handle. Let's go closer onto the daily. Go closer. We had a rising triangle. And it built, the way they work, build pressure, it broke out, and then it's come back in, which is not so nice. It's failing. Oh, I had a trade to add more at 61. Over on Bybit, I have my Bitcoin trade $569 negative. It was $2,500 positive yesterday, so it's dropped back down again. I had at 60,200 to buy one, two at 58,000. I'm going to leave it, I'm going to cancel that 61. I'm going to buy at 58. If we pull back 52, and you can see it's, let's go see what patterns are forming. So we're in that B, we got that AB bounce. I should have actually closed it there, it seems, because at 64, and it seems like now we're in that C wave correction. There's this trend line you could draw, say we could draw that. Rising wedge, not nice. Rising wedge, do this, build pressure, and break down. So this final C wave correction on the Elliott wave count is about to occur, in my opinion. 58, I would expect a very strong bounce. And that's where I've got my trade open. I've got it at 60, but I would move actually on this rise. Yeah, on that trend line, it's possible, but I would move it better to be at 59, because we've tested 59 many times. You can see here, we've multiple times tested this 59 support. So that's the trade I would take. 59,463, stop loss 58,900, and take profit 88K, that push up to that big resistance. 56 risk to reward ratio. It opens at 59,463. Risk $534 to make $30,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $300,000 profit. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin at 59,463. And right now I'm currently in. I've got 58, 52, and $500,000 Doge at 0.09. It would have been good to sell that bounce actually yesterday at 64. You can see that it wiped out those gains. This trade was positive 2,000. In this account, 571. Yesterday, 575, 572, so just slightly moving sideways. And I'm holding in this account MCRT 16%, cash 39%, Bitcoin 15%, Uni, Doge, World. Let's quickly jump into Tesla. And again, congratulations everyone who bought Tesla with me. Since we bought the bottom on Tesla, we are now up since the bottom, everyone. Since I bought at 141, we are now up 63% since I bought the bottom. 63%. And the patterns that it's forming, one is this inverse head and shoulders. So target 259. Then we had this descending wedge, builds pressure, target of 241. And then when you zoom out, we have this bigger overall pattern, this symmetrical triangle. huge symmetrical triangle on Tesla that builds pressure, and breaks out 70% of the move. Target of 578, which is beautiful. And look, we're coming to that resistance, the big there's one we smashed through at 225. Next resistance, it seems, will be here on this trend line, 241. But again, big congratulations. Since we bought the bottom here, added more to Tesla here. That was at 141. I bought more, 141. Since that time, we're up 63%. Is Cathie Wood the next inverse Kramer? Still not convinced the US has messed up its regulation of crypto. See the below. I confirm that I'm not a citizen of Afghanistan, Benin, Bhutan, China, Crimea, Cuba, Iran, Iraq, Syria, USA, Vatican City. Those are the countries that don't allow crypto. Targeting Tesla, my video yesterday at Tesla, we had some month of July started off with significant inflows of 129 million, so people buying again Bitcoin. We're up over 50%. Now it's up 69% 63% since I made that tweet and bought the bottom. And again, congratulations everyone on Tesla. That's massive gains if you understand 63%, because on Tesla you could have put, it's not like some altcoin or some small, with Tesla you could have put $1,000 and now have $1,600. You could have put $100,000 and have $160,000 2 months later. You could have put $1 million and had 1.6 million. You could have put 10 million and had 16 million. You could have put 100 million and had 160 million 2 months later. You could have put $1 billion and had 1.6 billion 2 months later. You could have put 10 billion and had 16 billion 2 months later. You could have put 50 billion and had 75 billion 2 months later. That's the power of Tesla and stocks. Like when the stock comes down that's oversold, that's a very good high volume, high liquidity stock. You can move as much as you want in there. So big congratulations on that 63% gain, everyone. That's nothing to, even if you put $1,000, you now have $1,630. If you put $10,000 2 months ago when I made that tweet and posted about it and told everyone I'm moving out of Bitcoin into Tesla, that was amazing call. Congratulations. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Learn from me, watch my videos. If you're skeptical, watch them for free nearly every single day on YouTube. For more than 4 years, I've been trading for 23 years, learn my skills. And again, big congratulations. 6% on Tesla yesterday, the day before, 10% on Tesla yesterday. So that's 16% in 2 days, which is amazing, and 63% in 2 months, which is beautiful. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Congratulations, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.